Are you ready to cut the cables from your driving experience? Discover our complete range of wireless CarPlay adapters, each thoughtfully designed to complement a variety of vehicle interiors and personal preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more rugged finish, we offer a model tailored to suit your needs. Installation is simple and seamless. Begin by plugging the adapter into your vehicle's CarPlay-enabled USB port. Then, on your iPhone, open Bluetooth settings, select the adapter from the list of available devices, and allow pairing when prompted. From that moment on, the adapter will connect automatically each time you start your vehicle. No wires, no hassle, just effortless connectivity. Enjoy everything CarPlay has to offer, wirelessly. Use Apple Maps or Waze for turn-by-turn navigation, stream your favorite music and podcasts, send and receive messages hands-free, and get real-time updates without taking your eyes off the road. You can activate Siri with a simple voice command and stay in full control using your vehicle's built-in steering wheel buttons. Please note that your vehicle must already support wired Apple CarPlay. This adapter converts a wired CarPlay connection into a wireless one. Choose the design that fits your style, and enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay, refined for everyday driving.